I will do one small flow chart, that is from page 52. Complete the following flowcharts. Number 1. I hope you can hear me. I will do one small chart, that is from page 52. Complete the following flowcharts. Number 1. I hope you can hear me. So let me draw the flowchart and then I will explain and I will fill the blanks. Obviously this will be start because the first box is always start. And see, if you look at the rest of the flowchart, you can very well understand that somehow they've asked you to find whether the triangle is possible or not. So enter A, B, C are the 3 angles. So is here there is a decision box, but the processing box is empty. So it is written is sum is equals to 180. So definitely here they have added sum equals to A plus B plus C. Then if it is yes, then what do? We print that triangle is possible. We print triangle is possible. This is the yes part. If it is no, then what we do? See, I have to give a connector over here, and here also I have to give another connector which I have given as Y. So here is the X connector and here is the Y connector. So from the X connector will come no. This is the no part. So this is no. If it is no, then there is another blank output box. That means the triangle is not possible. So I will print here triangle not possible. And we come down to stop. The stop is given. Now see, this one, this connect is supposed to come here and join from here. So this will come to stop. I hope you've understood. If you have any doubts, you can ask me over your WhatsApp group chat. Okay, then I'm deleting this and we can start a new question over here. I'm explaining this question, page 55. I'm explaining this over here. Then I will also send a video on this explained. and the flowchart also drawn properly in that video. This is page 55, question number 5. A librarian charges a fine for books if returned late. The tariff for the fine is given in the table below, and it depends on the number of days in which how many days you are late. So let's see. Let me see if anybody has a doubt. I was just checking, there's no doubt on the YouTube, on your WhatsApp group, so I'm moving forward. Keep your books open. So first we have to take the number of days n. See, it is written in the last line. Draw a flowchart calculating the fine returned after n days. So n is the number of days fined. So let me let's start. I'm drawing a little smaller box so that it fits in. Okay, then next we have to take an input. So the input will be a parallelogram. So I will write here, enter n. N is the number of days late. Next will be to calculate the fine. Now calculating the fine is not a simple task here. You have to see that if the number of days is less than 10, then it will be 40 paisa per day. If it is 11 to 20 days, then 60 paisa per day, and if it is more than 20, then it will be 80 paisa per day. So you need to decide as to what will be the charge. So here I will write, is n less than equal to 10? So 10 days. If it is yes, then the fine is how much? Then the fine is equals to, this is a processing box because we are calculating n into 40 paisa. Okay, or I can also write 0.40 for 40 paisa. Then the answer will be in rupees. If it is no, that means the number of days is not less than 10, it is more than 10. But I have to see if it is between 11 and 20. So I'll draw this little bigger. This way in order to write the, so is n greater than equal to 11 and n less than equal to 20. If it is yes, then what is the fine? The fine is 60 paisa per day. So your fine will be n into, I will give a asterisk, 0.60, 60 paisa, 0.60 rupees. But if it is no, that means it is more than 20. So I don't need to check the condition anymore. I have come to this part, that means it is not less than 10, it is not between 11 and 20, it is more than 20. So the fine will be n into 0.80, 80 paisa. Now once you have calculated the fine, you have to print the fine also. So I must come to this box. So after calculating fine in, sorry, uh, it's too big. I'm choosing this one. Never mind. Okay, next day I will use the ruler. I have to come here, and if I come from here, then also I have to print. So in all cases they will print the fine after it is done. Print fine, and then you stop. Okay, so this is how we are going to calculate the fine. This is question number 5 from your exercise. So that's all for today. There's something new that we tried today, and thank you so much for your patience and your support.